Hi everyone, it is me, Jordan Long here, and today I'm going to talk about, someone who makes a big deal about you either, sneezing or coughing or burping. If burping's an English word, I don't know. You know, and why to make a big deal over that, and why sadly I don't really have that much running lead over it. So it'll be like, oh, you got to stop coughing in your films because it's irksome. Well, to tell you this right now, Captain Marvel or lead woman Marvel, I have no running lead over the sneezing or the coughing. And if you don't like that, either you can you know, not watch my films if you don't like me coughing or sneezing sometimes in my films, because I am not A, going to be skimming, cleaning, or cutting that out. B, if you don't like it, you can go watch someone else's uploads and live streams and shorts. It's a body setup. You don't like it, too bad. Now, there's going to be some folks out there who are going to say things like, "Oh, well, you're putting yourself out there to get guilted and shamed and and scathed." Well, if someone wants to scathe me for coughing or sneezing in my films from time to time, let them, because we all know that they cough and sneeze too, and they want to cut all that out and clean all that out of their films. That's their own business. But if they don't like others, don't like me coughing or sneezing in my films, that's too bad. They got to deal with it. They don't like it, they don't have to watch my uploads or my live streams or my shorts then, if they don't like that kind of a thing. You know what? You put yourself out there to get shamed and guilted and scathed for. So if someone out there wants to scathe me for sneezing and coughing in my films, let them. Someone wants to shame me and guilt me for coughing and sneezing in my films, let them. I'll just hush and lock them and forbid them. And they don't like they don't like that, well then they don't have to watch my uploads and my live streams and my shorts then. And since you don't like it, lead woman Marvel, then you don't have to watch my uploads or live streams or shorts then. You know. Well then I won't then. Because I think it's irksome that someone has to sneeze and cough in their films. Or burp in their films. Sorry that I'm woman like and I have a woman and my body has setups like sneezing and coughing and burping. Sorry. You don't like that? Don't watch my films like I told you. So, anyway, that's what's going on. And that is coming from somewhere, a stead of truth, because I do cough in my films. I have no running lead over it. I mean, it only seems to happen when I'm making, an upload or a live stream or a short. Why? I don't know. So that's the end of my film. If you like this film, or then you can watch my other uploads, my other live streams and shorts. You can also share and playlist this film. You can also give this film a thumbs up. You can also give me your thoughts on folks who cough and sneeze in their films, and what do you think about that? And hit that ringer if you are following me, so you'll be known when the next upload or the live stream or the short happens. I, Jordan Long, or Jordan Mulan Long, and I'll see you later. Goodbye. Farewell. So long.